The 1947 Morgan Series 144 has been with us for a few weeks now. It arrived just before Christmas and we've made a good start on it since the Christmas shutdown. It's called 44 because it has 4 wheels and also 4 seats as well, although the front seats are currently removed. Joined us for a few reasons. The gearbox was popping out of 4th gear. There were some problems with the suspension at the rear, and also the car was overheating. So we've resolved the gearbox problem, we've resolved the rear suspension knocking issue, and now we have the engine stripped down to address the overheating issue. Basically, the cylinder head gasket was leaking coolant, which over time was depleting the cooling system and allowing it to overheat. So a fairly straightforward fix for this car. One of the main problems that we've been having is the car is missing the hood, the soft top hood cover, and so it's taking quite a lot to try and find one that can be used as a template. And luckily, through the Morgan Owners Club, we've managed to locate one that's been delivered to us next week. It's in particularly bad condition, but it's going to be perfect to use as a template for this car, to provide it with some weather protection if the weather turns bad whilst the car's being used. Generally, it's a restored vehicle. It was restored a few years ago, so we're just really going through and updating the restoration work to just bring it back to full health again. It's just general maintenance work.